What sets IDFC First Bank apart from other lenders? They also have a list of universities and colleges categorized as you can avail a loan up to 50 lakhs with an interest rate of. The process of starting an education loan with IDFC Bank is quite simple. All you need to do is follow the following steps. Are you planning to study abroad but concerned about the educational process? Today, we are going to talk about IDFC First Bank and how they can help you fund your studies overseas, including information on their eligibility criteria, interest rate, and the loan process. I am Aman Jain and I am one of the founding members here at Gyan. But before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss any of our future videos on studying abroad. So let's start. What sets IDFC First Bank apart from other lenders? IDFC First Bank differentiates itself by prioritizing academic performance over co-applicant requirement in loan decision. The unique approach sets them apart from other lenders. By giving significant consideration to educational accomplishments, the bank recognizes the potential, commitment, and future prospects of the individual who have excelled academically. This inclusive approach enables them to support aspiring students, recent graduates, and young professionals who may lack strong co-applicants or credit histories. That's right, you heard it correctly. They also have a list of universities and colleges categorized as platinum, titanium, and gold for different countries like US, Canada, UK, Australia, Netherlands, France, and more. Here is the best part. The loan options are customized according to your target country and the course you are pursuing. IDFC offers loans for courses in various countries, with each country having its own features and interest rates. Before exploring the loan details, let's discuss the general eligibility criteria for an IDFC education loan. Applicants must be Indian citizen, aged 18 years or above, and hold a confirmed admission letter from their desired educational institution. These requirements ensure that the loan is accessible to Indian students pursuing higher education. By emphasizing the need for a confirmed admission letter, IDFC ensures that the loan is utilized for its intended purpose to support students' educational journey. This eligibility criteria help streamline the loan application process and provide clarity to potential borrowers seeking financial assistance for their educational pursuit. However, in case you don't have an admission letter yet, IDFC can provide you with a conditional sanction letter based on the type of course, country, and institution you have applied to. As mentioned before, IDFC has divided its approved list of universities into three categories. The top category, Platinum, includes prestigious universities around the globe such as Arizona State University, University of Oxford, University of Toronto, and more. The next category, Titanium, is just below the Platinum and includes institutions like University of Nottingham, RMIT University, Atlantis University, and several others. The last category is called Gold, and it comprises fewer institutions compared to the other two categories. This categorization determines loan variable including the amount you can get, the interest rate, and the other factors. In this video, we have explained IDFC First Bank's offering based on the different target countries that an international student can go to, such as USA, Canada, and others. Now, let's move on to the specifics of the IDFC loans. Let's start with IDFC's abroad education loan for US, specific to the master's courses in STEM and MBA programs. Here is how it works. The loan category is determined based on both your GRE score and the university you are applying to. So for example, if your GRE score puts you in the Titanium category, but your university you are applying to is in the Platinum category, your loan will be processed according to the Platinum category. Let me explain how GRE scores determine your category. If your score is 315 or more in GRE, you will be categorized in Platinum. If your score is between 300 to 314, you will fall in the Titanium category, while a score less than 300 will place you in the Gold category. Based on your categorization into Platinum, Titanium, or Gold category, IDFC First Bank offers different loan amount, interest rate, and processing fee to suit your academic achievements and the borrowing needs. If you qualify for the Platinum category, you can avail a loan up to 50 lakhs with an interest rate of 11.5%. This category is for applicants with exceptional GRE score and represent highest loan amount and the most favorable interest rate. The processing fee for the platinum category are 1% plus GST. In the titanium category, which encompasses GRE scores ranging from 300 to 314, you can borrow up to 40 lakh with an interest rate of 11.75%. While the loan amount is slightly lower compared to platinum category, it will still provide substantial financial support. The processing fee for the titanium category is the same as platinum category, which is 1% plus GST. For applicants falling into gold category with GRE scores below 300, IDFC First Bank offers loan up to 30 lakhs at an interest rate of 12.25%. While the loan amount and the interest rate are comparatively lower in this category, it still provides a significant opportunity for funding. The processing fee for the gold category is 1.25% plus GST, slightly higher than platinum and titanium categories. By tailoring the loan amounts, interest rate and processing fee based on borrower's GRE score category, IDFC First Bank ensure that applicants receive loan options that align with their academic performance, making education financing more accessible and affordable. During the moratorium period, the loan repayment for the platinum and titanium categories is in the form of partial simple interest. While for the gold category, it can be either simple interest or immediate EMI depending on your applicant profile. However, if you are in the platinum or titanium category, you may be eligible for a full moratorium, which means you don't have to pay any payments during the course and the grace period. You will also need a financial co-applicant with a minimum income of 35,000, which is only mandatory for the gold category. For platinum and titanium categories, non-financial co-applicants are acceptable. Now, let's talk about IDFC's education loan for doing a master's or PG diploma in Canada. Here, only the list of universities and colleges developed by IDFC will determine the category with which your loan will be processed. Unlike US, in Canada, when it comes to obtaining loans for various categories, there are specific criteria and conditions that determines the maximum loan amount and interest rate. For the platinum category, individuals are eligible to secure a loan up to 35 lakh with an interest rate of 11.75%. This category offers a substantial loan amount reflecting the borrower's strong financial standing and creditworthiness. Moving down the hierarchy, the titanium category provides a maximum amount of 30 lakhs at an interest rate slightly higher than the platinum category, set as 12.25%. While the loan amount is slightly lower, it offers considerable financial assistance to borrowers who meet the criteria for this category. The last and the gold category offers a maximum loan amount of 25 lakh with an interest rate of 13.25%. Although the loan amount is comparatively lower than the platinum and titanium categories, it provides a viable option for individuals who require a smaller loan but are willing to accept a slightly higher interest rate. In addition to the loan amounts and interest rate, it's important to consider the associated processing fee. For both platinum and titanium categories, the loan processing fee is 1% plus GST. However, for the gold category, the processing fee is slightly higher and is set at 1.25% plus GST. IDFC Bank's loan for Canada, only platinum category applications are eligible for non-financial co-applicant and a full moratorium, while other two categories is a straight no. The repayment during the moratorium period, in case you are not eligible for a full moratorium, can be in the form of partial simple interest for the platinum category. For the titanium category, it can be either partial simple interest or just simple interest depending on the application profile. For the gold category, the only option available is the immediate EMI. You should also be aware that apart from all this, there are certain additional eligibility requirements that you would have to meet in order to get a loan for your Canadian university with IDFC. This requirement include having a financial co-applicant with a minimum salary of 35,000 without obligation wherever applicable. Your IELTS score should be a minimum of 6.5, and lastly, you should not have more than 5 backlogs in your bachelor's. Other target countries like the UK, Ireland, Germany, Australia, Sweden, Netherlands, France and New Zealand are also eligible to get loans from IDFC Bank. The loan structure for these countries follow a similar pattern to that of education loan for Canada, ensuring convenience and ease for prospective students. Under IDFC's education loan, students eligible for the Platinum category can secure a maximum loan amount of 35 lakhs at an interest rate of 11.75%. This category provides a significant loan amount, enabling students to cover their tuition fee, living expenses and other additional costs. Moving to the Titanium category, students can obtain a maximum loan amount of 30 lakhs at an interest rate of 12.25%. While the loan amount is slightly lower compared to Platinum category, it still provides substantial financial support for students pursuing their education in these target countries. For students in the Gold category, the maximum loan amount is 25 lakhs at an interest rate of 13.25%. Although the loan amount is relatively lower, it remains a viable option for students who require a smaller loan to fulfill their educational aspiration. In terms of processing fee, both the Platinum and Titanium categories incur a fee of 1% of the loan amount along with the applicable GST. Meanwhile, the Gold category has a slightly higher processing fee of 1.25% plus GST. The repayment during the moratorium period is in the form of partial simple interest for the Platinum category. For the Titanium category, it can be either partial simple interest or simple interest, while it is immediate EMI for the Gold category. Lastly, only the Platinum category is eligible to have a full moratorium and non-financial co-applicant. For other categories, financial co-applicant with a minimum income of 35,000 without any obligation is required. Moving forward to the documentation process. The documents required from the applicant are photo ID proof, proof of residence, passport size photo, proof of admission, fee structure document, salary slips and academic documents. The documents required from the co-applicant are photo ID proof, proof of residence, passport size photograph and income related document wherever required. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of the list so that it can help you later while applying for an education loan with IDFC. The process of starting an education loan with IDFC Bank is quite simple. All you need to do is follow the following steps. Begin by visiting Gyanadhan website or using the loan eligibility form mentioned in the description below. To determine if you meet the criteria for an IDFC First Bank abroad education loan, after this, one of the Gyanadhan's education loan experts will reach you and guide you through the education loan process and provide a tailored document checklist. You need to collect and submit all required documents from the checklist, including academics and financial documents. Ensure they are accurate and meet the bank's requirement. IDFC First Bank will verify your application involving credit check, admission detail, financials and other relevant information. Once everything is done from the bank's end, you will get a loan approval notification with the approved amount, on which you can sign the agreement if you are satisfied with the terms and condition and then go ahead with the disbursement. There are several benefits that you can get when you process your education loan through Gyanadhan. Choosing Gyanadhan for your education loan comes with a range of benefits. We guarantee to provide you with the best education loan for studies abroad. And we are so confident in our services that if you happen to find a better loan offer elsewhere, we will cover the difference in interest for you. Moreover, we help you understand the loan process and eligibility criteria, which helps you increasing your chances of approval. We forward your application to IDFC Bank only after ensuring eligibility requirements are met, which further improving the likelihood of approval. We also offer personalized document checklist based on your profile, including all the necessary documents and an alternative options to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of document required for your application. Not only this, we at Gyanadhan make sure to assign you a designated education loan counselor that will be responsible to help you throughout the loan process without any additional cost. You will also get regular updates from our site and can also see them on our real-time user dashboard so that a transparent relation and process overview can be maintained. That's it for this video. I hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with other study abroad aspirants. Comment down any additional question that you have. We'll answer those and try to cover them in the upcoming videos.